A pull-down kitchen faucet is a simple device which not only makes tasks in the kitchen quicker and more accessible, but it can also hugely complement your kitchen decor. Claimed to be the more durable of choices, the best pull-down kitchen faucet should work to offer you a range of different spray functions while maximizing the number of jobs you can get done in succession, both in and around the sink area. This extensive review looks at 5 of the best-rated pull-down kitchen faucets currently available on the market. Concentrating on aspects such as materials used, flow rate, water modes, insulation type, warranties, dimensions, and valves, we have selected only those top models which we feel offer you the best all-around product. We then summarize the pros of each model discussed alongside any possible cons to consider. We've searched the market to find a selection of 5 models which we believe make the grade for the best pull-down kitchen faucet. Such models include all the essential features you need for this most frequently used of products. Offering you our years of reviewing expertise, we've given each selection a final rating and presented them in an informative table, with more details on each product below. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Number 1. Kraus KPF 1610 SS Bolden Commercial Kitchen Faucet. Commercial style faucet is both flexible and functional, with a heavy-duty open coil spring spout for an industrial look. Optimized for home use, compact 18-inch height fits beneath almost any kitchen cabinet. Pull-down SPROIHEAD offers an extended range of motion all around the sink. Pull-down SPROIHEAD offers an extended range of motion all around the sink. Dual-function SPROIHEAD with easy clean rubber nozzles offers aerated stream for everyday cleaning and powerful spray for heavy-duty rinsing. Single handle operates with 90-degree forward rotation, allowing for installation in tighter spaces with no backsplash clearance needed. Number 2. Moen 87028 SRS Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. If you've ever handled something with cords, you know they can become difficult to maneuver. After all, Edwin is a pull-down tap, so you might be worried about stubborn cords getting in the way when you're trying to wash dishes or load pots and pans. One of the things you'll love when you get a high-tech tap is the ability to switch between jet types. With traditional taps, contactless taps, you can only use one type of spray, right? You may be wondering what exactly this will give you. Well, if you are used to having only spray, you will notice that it takes some time to fill large pots and pans. Have you ever tried washing stains or hard particles out of a pan? We all know they can be tough. With the 87028 SRS Edelman, in addition to the jet and stream jet types, you get Moen's Power Clean technology, which is designed to deliver up to 50% more jet power than other drop-in models. Number 3. Kraus KPF 1610 SFS Bolden Kitchen Faucet. Commercial style faucet is both flexible and functional, with a heavy-duty open coil spring spout for an industrial look. Optimized for home use, compact 18-inch height fits beneath almost any kitchen cabinet. Pull-down SPROIHEAD offers an extended range of motion all around the sink. Pull-down SPROIHEAD offers an extended range of motion all around the sink. Dual-function SPROIHEAD with easy clean rubber nozzles offers aerated stream for everyday cleaning and powerful spray for heavy-duty rinsing. Single handle operates with 90-degree forward rotation, allowing for installation in tighter spaces with no backsplash clearance needed. Number 4. Moen 87233 Adler Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. Chrome finish is highly reflective for a mirror-like look that works with any decorating style. Power Clean spray technology provides 50% more spray power versus most of our pull-down and pull-out faucets without the Power Clean technology. Faucet pull-down hose offers flexible water delivery. Hose automatically retracts with ease. Aerated stream for everyday cleaning, powerful rinse for heavy-duty cleaning. Standard design mounts on the sink or countertop, optional deck plate is included for 3-hole installations. Equipped with the reflex system for smooth operation, easy movement, and secure docking of the pull-down. Number 5. Delta Faucet ESSA Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet. Patented diamond seal technology reduces leak points and lasts twice as long as the industry standard, ensuring leak-free operation for the life of the kitchen faucet. Magnetite docking uses a powerful magnet to snap your kitchen sprayer into place so it stays docked and doesn't droop over time like other kitchen faucets. Delta kitchen faucets with touch clean spray holes allow you to quickly and easily wipe away calcium and lime buildup with a touch of a finger, so no need to soak or use chemical cleaners. Designed to fit single hole or 3-hole, 8-inch configurations.